everybody, it's Miss Elizabeth with the St. Joseph Public Library to talk about our STEAM Take and Make kits for November 2020. We're going to take these Legos and make them into a Lego balance. How cool is that? Let's get started. Okay, you're going to get your kits. If you were not able to get a kit, the Legos that you need are in the description below. Take all your things out. There are instructions. So, first step, take out your base plate. And you're going to build a tower with these 2x4s, 10 of them. And you can alternate, make a pattern. Once you have your tower of 10 2x4s, you're going to put it right in the middle of your base plate. Next, we are going to build the little buckets. You're going to duplicate the same thing. You're going to start with one of these. You're going to take your either 1x8. Some of the kits have 1x6s. This one is a 1x8. You're going to put it on the side. Take your other 1x8. Put it there. And since we have the 1x8s, we're going to have a 1x4 for the top and bottom edges. If you have 1x6s, you're still going to have 4. They're just going to be lined up slightly differently. So there's one bucket. I'm going to go ahead and do that with the other one. And I happen to have white for these. I could mix and match if I wanted to. Have the black over here and the white here. Whatever you want to do. And there we go. We've got our 2 buckets. Now we're going to set those aside. Next, you are going to take your bricks that have the Technic pens. You might have one that are built in like this. You might have one that has the pin separately like this. Either way, you're going to put it on so the pins are sticking out each side of the tower like that. Then you're going to take your long 1x16 Technic brick. It has 15 holes, so we're going to put it on the 8th hole right in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that one right there. I'm going to do that on each side. Now you have your Technic bricks able to spin on there. Okay, next you're going to take your 2x6, or you might have a 2x4 if your Technic pins are the smaller ones like this. And you're going to connect those to your long Technic brick like that and like that. Then you're able to take your bucket and connect that to each side, and there you have it. Your balance is complete. Now let's measure some things. Okay, now we have our balance done. Now you can find things around your house that will fit into these little buckets. I have this little Air Force metal plane. Whoops. I'm going to put it in there. And I wonder if this little car will balance it out. Let's have a look. Ooh, that is so close. This one weighs slightly more than that one. Let's see if I put a Lego brick in there. Ooh, it almost balances out. That's pretty close. Slightly heavier over here. So on your sheet, there is a table. You can write object 1, in this case, Air Force plane. Object 2, little matchbox car. Were they equal? No, almost though in this case. Let's see if we can make something equal. Well, here's a brick. Put that there. If we put the same brick on the other side, there we go. Even Stevens. Let's see if we take this Lego wheel. Of course, the same kind of Lego wheel should balance it out. There we go. Now what about this one? It's plastic. I wonder if it weighs more or less. Looks like more. So you can have fun measuring all sorts of things, seeing if they are equal or not with your new Lego balance.